And these are where you're going to make your adjustments for the height of the table. You want to just make sure that probably about hip height, just make sure it's comfortable. You don't want to be leaning over and cause any issues with your back. They have the arm attachments, so you can put the arm attachments on. Gives people a little bit of extra room to put their arms down. So they just slide on like that. You can also install the head. And this swivels up or down depending on what's most comfortable. And then to lock it, it just has this little lock here. So you can just lock. That should hold in. It seems to work pretty well. So a paper towel works pretty well for the headrest. Just put a hole in it. That way you can breathe. You don't have to worry about making the headrest greasy. And then you just want to get a fitted sheet. Just put it all on top of the rest of the table. The reason that we chose this one is it's 2.75 inches of foam, so it's about 50% more foam than a lot of the competition had. And the coating and the covering on this, it's water and oil resistant, so you don't have to worry about having stains or causing any problems with the material with massage oil or anything like that.